Hey everyone, it's Charlotte. Today on Maker's Moments, we'll be showing you how to set up a wooden wick. In order to set up a wooden wick, you will need a few important components. First, you will need wooden wick clips. These are important to ensure vertical assembly of the wooden wick. We recommend wick clips from the Wooden Wick Co. as they're designed with safety standards set by the National Candle Association. Next, you will need wick stickers. Wick stickers ensure that your wick doesn't move during your candle pouring process. You will need your candle vessel. And finally, and most importantly, you'll need wooden wicks. To set up your wooden wicks, you will first want to insert your wick into the wick clip. Make sure to do this by holding the wick near the bottom or center of the wick and gently rocking edge to edge until the wick is fully inserted into the clip. Once your wick has been inserted into the clip, remove one side of paper from your wick sticker and stick it to the bottom of your wick clip. Remove the second side of paper and place the wick and clip assembly into the center of your vessel. If you need guidance finding the center of your vessel, you can measure using a ruler and mark the center of your vessel with a permanent marker. Once your wick has been placed in the center of the vessel, apply gentle pressure to ensure the wick is secured to the bottom. Congratulations, it's as easy as that. Ready to put your newfound knowledge into practice? Do you still use cotton wicks? Tell us yes or no and why in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest Makers tips and tricks. See you next time on Makers Moments. Happy making!